The most fun about driving around in Decatur, Georgia, the suburb of Atlanta, it's coming across people who've taken their front yards and given a significant portion of them to not grass, but all kinds of interesting, beautiful blooming plants. I couldn't resist this huge display of daylilies, and they have a variety. Some are past their prime, but you can see these beautiful orange ones. They've done them in a large mass planting, and interspersed among the orange, or you could say the golden ones, you can see a reddish gold daylily. This sweep comes all the way around their corner lot, the front part. And these are fabulous examples of the different varieties that are available. This is prime daylily blooming time, and the beds are carefully sculpted. You can see they're edged with brick pavers, and there's some light yellows with the golden ones behind, interspersed with the reddish. And what a great visual display. So this is an opportunity to take advantage of what other people have done successfully in their yards. This is USDA Hardiness Zone 8. Here you have a pale orangish one, almost a pinkish orange, next to these beautiful golden color, and a little bit paler yellow to the back. So they've done a great job of mixing colors. And even further in the back, there is a red one popping out. So it looks like there are several bunches of reds, but they are either past blooming or they'll be coming out a little bit. Daylilies are a favorite for borders like this, for accent plants in yards. They're easy to grow, and they form, as you can see, they form bunches. So you start with one plant, and over the years, it'll form a bunch. You can, every 3 to 5 years, dig it up, divide the bulbs, carefully making sure that you get a bulb that has roots on it. And you can see here how it's easy to divide the bunch at the bottom. You just separate it carefully, and then you plant that, and you have another plant, and it will be genetically similar, and you'll just be able to multiply your bed. If you have patience, you can end up with a huge amount of daylilies over time. They get the name daylily because each of the blooms come open and last about a day. Well, in the same neighborhood, I figured if I drove around, I might find some more examples of daylilies. And here is a gorgeous yard, and they have chosen to put several bulbs of the real red daylilies. They're the ones in the front. See how beautiful this example of daylilies. Easy to grow. They're positioned at the front of the bed in full sun, and they are gorgeous. Subscribe, Garden Yay, Garden Inspiration.